How to install pip in Python on Windows 11. First we need to open a command prompt, type in search cmd and hit enter. Here we need to install get-pip.py file. And to do that, run this command. I will leave it in first pinned comment of this video. Run this get-pip.py file by using Python. So type in Python space get-pip.py and hit enter. And to check where we have installed pip, we use command pip space show space and pip and hit enter. And to check if pip is installed correctly, run a command pip space -- and version and hit enter. And if it returns the path with Python version, this means that pip is installed correctly.